Okay, 2 cups of chocolate, 4 cups of whole milk, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Teaspoon of vanilla. And you can use caramel bits. We got some caramel ice cream, 1/2 cup. You're making salted caramel hot chocolate.
This is going to be good, Cam.
Cook it on low for about 2 hours, but you want to stir it occasionally. I'll save some for that for the cup itself. Okay.
All right, this is our hot chocolate, y'all. Look at that. Throw some marshmallows in there.
I'm supposed to place them in there, Tyler.
No.
Okay, we'll push them down over to that steam.
Mm-hmm.
Woo! That ooey gooey mess.
Mm-hmm. That's looking nice.
Yeah, put it over them.
Kim, you trying this one?
No, I'm gonna let you or Sarah.
All
Not
right.
the babies.
Red, do you want some?
Oh gosh, Kim, you're loading me up.
Oh, well, I didn't know it got all over the cup. Then the boys are. That's perfect. Look at Ray.
Good.
You like.
That's really good. I give it like a 9.1.
Oh, gosh.